me ask my friend Vice don't know say I for the continent pass and I represent Kingmixup. Baddest when it come on to entertainment news. Don't miss a beat. Make sure you stay tuned.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope I have no wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bagger, and I wanna gotta continue getting them daily updates on the people you see and don't say on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it and so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with the world boss, because it seems like he made a comment pertaining to his bail application being rejected. As you know, yesterday wasn't a good day for America and Jamaica because they don't want to make, America great again, with Donald Trump obviously being convicted, and they don't want to make Jamaica good again. Obviously, with Vybz Kartel bail application being rejected, it's on grounds that the judge found constitutional, obviously. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because he commented, Vybz Kartel speaking, saying let them have their 15 minutes of fame. The whole planet is witnessing how monkeys practice law. Jamaica is the laughing stock of the Commonwealth legal world. And that comment was made over on his Vybz Kartel Daily fan page. As you know, the Lords in England Privy Court, overturned I guess part of his ruling. You see, some people, it's really confusing, but like I said, being that he has court next month, I didn't expect the judge to let him free. You see, but it's quite shocking that the judge said that, that she didn't see anything constitutionally wrong with him being in jail. You see, and them I forgot change that on paper in Jamaica, even though the King of England said, them for pay for him appeal and all of this stuff. Honestly, this kind of setting the tone, because Vybz Kartel didn't have no luck with none of these courts in Jamaica. That's why he had to take it to the highest courts. You see me, and this judge saying that his rights wasn't violated. Well, they can't put in at the comment because section. one thing for sure, if the appeals court grants, him a retrial, the DPP is gonna be all over it. You see what I'm saying? But if they don't, they might have to go back to England again, and really get a court order to get them out of jail. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, we know Shakira beat, who the other day, you see me saying, Justin Gatlin, they're off a yard trying to find out what they put in their sauce. You see me, because them want the secret yam. Now, let me play it. You see what I say, because them want to know what kind of yam. Yellow yam, you saying about yam and them thing there. But speaking about yam in Jamaican food, say no dread lies. Wants to know what they put in the KFC chicken, and he does a KFC, test. You see I said to see if them taste buds like it or not. So let's take a look at what I want for that to go on, and then we proceed.
You want to do this again? Come on. First stop, KFC. Behind the back door deal. Not the real Jamaican experience.
Full presentation, no lines waiting. You ride the rides as many times as you want. Yeah. You go back and forth, and you cut the lines. Yeah. Everything's half off.
But I'm saying
we go last week.
But I'm
we don't
saying,
have that this time.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Like, why are we waiting in line?
But listen, I'm saying if you do not stand in line and your ticket go behind there, it's not the real Jamaican experience. You're supposed to wait there with everybody else.
Really? Oh. I'm Noah Lyles, and today I'll be trying Jamaican KFC. Girlfriend told me that I need to get the zinger, barbecue style, so that's what we'll be trying today.
Because that's the best one. Honest review, honest review.
As you see, it is.
You think it was good, right?
That was pretty good. Less bread though, more crunch.
No, it was just pretty good. However, we bought 2 zingers and we only get 1. So now I don't have anything to eat. I want my zinger.
You said you want it.
I want it now.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that experience there, because I thought it was authentic. You see what I say? You can't go KFC and expect to get everything that you order. You feel what I mean? Child, no, hey, them for the better, you know. You see what I say? But you don't know the thing said, no, your girlfriend Janelle is Jamaican and she's also on a track to feel, you see what I say? So it's a good look. Jamaica and America link up in more than one ways. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, you know, we did a review the other day, Bounty Killer cancel Reggae Soundfest for, you know, we never get a reason, you see what I say? And I think it's because of Ishawna disrespecting him last year or so, you see it. And even though he's getting a tribute this year, him not sure, you see what I say? So for the hype, I give him take panic, because you know about to kill off him, music daddy, and you know, say, you know, Joe, I feel him, you know, money, and Skatta Burrell, you see it.
Something about that Sumfest thing, and alright. Now, me have an idea how I go on, but me no want believe say how me I think really happen. So, when you tag Skatta and Reggae Sumfest, if one of them want to join the live, me not have a problem. You see me, them can come properly explain to you what I go on instead of me assume. Knowing the bounty killer where me know, them a honor him, that Sumfest here, plus a book him. Killer now just get up and say, nah, the Sumfest and no, something that. No. Kill, and it's not money. It's not money. I'm sure that already, because killer now go crucify them for money. Worse, them a honor him sure what him do every year. Him and Beanie do the most Sumfest in our history. Or something other than that. It's a respecting. It's a respecting. Me killer no want them honor award and him no want do the show. Me I tell you. Me na fool. Something go on. Some violation go on. Me I tell you, them do killer something. And them do killer something BS pan the respect level. Remember, you know, me have an idea in my head of what me think it is. But me don't want to assume. So Skatta, now, if you remember, Ricky Nar, yeah, okay, Ricky Nar, okay. So you have an idea what go on there. Remember a couple years ago, about 2 years ago, Sumfest, or 3 years, I never remember. Killer get violated wicked. When one girl, hold on there. Yeah. Zin, remember the home girl put up killer picture, sit down in the face of the picture, and style in general, wicked. All me did bex, but me na business with them. You understand? Because you know killer me general, she am a baby mother. Them have them problem where them shouldn't have no problem. Because some people are trying to everything with her, but me never business with them. You understand me? I say, the ancestors, them are rape. 2 of them can kill them, 1 of them in a business. But me, the earth can, you know, kill her, me done. And she am a baby mother. So I don't know. I am just speculating here. I don't know if because Skatta still a work with she, he might try to get her back in the show. Remember this go on after Sashi. Me never didn't know Sashi depend Sashi. Zin and Killer did depend Sashi. So me don't know if no fubble double go on a Sashi and then Skatta go to take for her side or, you know what I say? Or them good at tell killer say, yeah man, she a go dip on some fest, you know. We'll give her back a run or one killer and say, can remember some Joe did say she banned for life after some fest. But she and Skatta still good. And them still work together, and Skatta is one of the organizers of some fest. So I don't know if Skatta a worm and rain back on the show. And killer not deal with that. That is my either who this? Me bitter, dopey. Me I talk about a scenario, a possibility of what it might be. What that have to do with bitter? Are you dumb? Anyway, so me know how killer stay. Him not take certain disrespect and him not take certain violation. So him brother just say him nah do it. You understand what I say? So we need to hear from some fest how I really go on, cause right now everybody I wonder how I go on. All me I wonder how I go on. I swear. You see me? I swear. All me there I wonder how I go on. And me I tell you, remember this come right after Sashina. So we don't know what go on at Sashina. Remember we not dead, we don't know about this come. Killer now turn down him honorary the year when them got honor him. Plus book him for no reason. On a little minor thing. You understand what I say? Killer not doing that. So something go on. Something go on. Something go on. Big Sumfest, Bounty Killer, the year when them honor him. Come on now. People, using the brain. I can't nothing normal. I can't nothing normal. And may I tell you, say, I no money. It's not money. First of all, Joe have money. And killer now go stick out and kill them for money. Worse him I get honor than them a book him on top of. No. You understand me I say? So, when people, me I telling you God truth. The amount of call and DM me get about it. Me have to come live, come ask the question. You understand? From yesterday, be people. I mean I said, I have to talk about it today. And I like my business, but the people them want know and them want me to find out for them. I mean not a problem. To inquire about it. Cause big Sumfest that and a big Bounty Killer. What the problem? You see me? Anyway.
And if you watch my review yesterday or 2 days ago, it's basically everything that I said. You see me, I said, cause we know Joe money long. You see it, so that's definitely not the issue. You see me, I said, you know, Bounty Killer is all about respect. And he got nothing but disrespect from Skatta, Burrell, and Ishawna. Anyway, people may not long out this no longer because we have next rule for drop on the next channel. Them, you know, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bliss.